Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Ledger to MetaMask. First, make sure your Ledger device is fully updated with the latest firmware and that the Ethereum application is installed. This ensures smooth compatibility. Next, install the MetaMask browser extension if you haven't already, and either set up a new wallet or import an existing one. It's crucial to close the Ledger Live application before proceeding, as it can interfere with the connection process. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Now let's pair your devices. Open your MetaMask extension in your browser. Click on the circular account icon in the top right corner, then select Connect Hardware Wallet from the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of hardware wallets. Choose Ledger and click Continue. At this point, physically connect your Ledger device to your computer using its USB cable. Ensure your Ledger device is unlocked and ready for connection. With your Ledger connected, unlock it and open the Ethereum application on the device. MetaMask will then present a list of available Ledger accounts. Carefully review these accounts and select the specific one you wish to import into MetaMask. You can choose one or multiple accounts. After making your selection, click the Unlock button. Your Ledger account will now appear within your MetaMask wallet, ready for secure transactions. For maximum security, always confirm every transaction directly on your Ledger device's screen before approving it in MetaMask. This crucial step protects against malicious attacks. Remember, your Ledger recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Keep it absolutely secure and never, ever share it. When you're finished with transactions, disconnect your Ledger device. This simple method provides an extra layer of security for your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.